If money didn't give you peace. If love didn't give you peace. If success didn't give you peace.
This video will explain why.
Everyone wants peace.
Not excitement, not noise.
Not more things, just peace. Peace when you wake up. Peace when you lie down. Peace in your chest. Peace in your thoughts.
But here's the strange part. People chase peace everywhere except where Allah placed it. And that's why so many hearts are tired.
Why people don't feel peace. We think peace will come when life becomes easier. Money increases. People understand us. Problems disappear. But Allah never said peace comes from having less problems. Allah said peace comes from remembering Him.
Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. Qur'an 13:28.
Not money, not people,
Not control. Hearts were not designed to rest in creation.
they were designed to rest in the Creator.
Signs you are wanting peace.
You might be wanting peace if you feel tired without working.
You feel heavy for no clear reason.
You overthink at night. You feel restless.
Even when life looks fine. You're surrounded by people but feel alone.
This doesn't mean you're weak. It means your soul is asking for its source.
Islamic solution number 1. Return to Allah, not away from life. Peace does not mean running away from responsibilities. Peace means bringing Allah into them. Salah is not a burden.
It is a pause for the soul. When Allah commanded prayer, He did not say, pray to be busy. He said, establish prayer for my remembrance.
Qur'an 20:14. Every salah is Allah saying, come back, sit with me, breathe. Islamic solution number 2. Stop carrying what Allah never gave you.
Some of you are tired because you're carrying tomorrow.
You're carrying other people's opinions.
You're carrying guilt. Allah already forgave. You're carrying fear. Allah never promised.
Allah says, Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear.
Qur'an 2-286. If it's breaking you,
it was never meant to be carried alone. Put it down in duha. Islamic solution number 3. Peace comes from tawakkul, not control.
We lose peace when we try to control outcomes.
But Islam teaches effort is yours.
Results are Allah's.
The Prophet said,
if you rely upon Allah as He should be relied upon, He would provide for you as He provides for the birds.
Birds don't panic about tomorrow.
They leave their nest, trust Allah, and return satisfied.
That is peace. Islamic solution number 4. Make dhikr your safe place.
Dhikr is not only for the masjid.
It's for traffic, sadness,
confusion, fear,
quiet nights, even one sentence.
Allah is enough for me.
Repeated sincerely can calm storms inside the chest. Islamic solution number 5. Accept that dunya was never meant to feel like home.
One reason peace feels rare is because we expect this world to feel permanent, but the Prophet said, be in this world as though you were a stranger or a traveler. Travelers don't decorate temporary rooms. They don't panic about discomfort.
They know they're passing through.
Peace comes when you stop demanding eternity from a temporary world.
Closing reminder, peace is not lost.
If you are still searching for peace, know this, you are not broken. You are not forgotten. You are not failing. You are just being invited back.
Back to salah,
duha, Qur'an. Trust Allah.
And when you return sincerely, peace doesn't shout, it settles.
And whoever turns to Allah, He is sufficient for him. Qur'an 65:3.
If your heart wants peace, don't give it more noise, give it Allah.